Hello and welcome. My name is Marc Blatstein, the physician founder of Physician Presentence Report Service. Welcome. Today I'm going to review you're going or preparing for federal prison, and there are mechanisms in place where you can try and get out earlier. And all of this requires things that you can do to help expedite your release. While nothing's guaranteed, I'll start with that there are things called infractions. These are things you do when you get in trouble, and they can come in the form of what's called a shot or a ticket, but you don't think you're going to get in trouble. I never thought I would have ever gotten in trouble. While I was grateful to get my medical license back in 2010, I too had a felony, about 20 years ago, and I never thought that would have happened. But somebody offers to let you, if you're lonely, to use their cell phone to call home. Eventually, the guards are going to find the cell phone. They'll find the numbers on that phone. They'll match the numbers with the phone number on your call list, and then you're going to get maybe a new charge. But you just don't want that to happen. So there's a combination of things that are in place right now. One, you get good time credit, which is 54 days off a year. It's 15% of your sentence. Second is the First Step Back. This is your opportunity to earn credits up to 365 days or 1 year off your sentence. If you're able to earn more than 365 days off your sentence, then that goes to earning days that you will be spending in a halfway house or possibly in home confinement. But it'll still be under the control of the Bureau of Prisons, but it won't be in prison. Then there's RDAP. Now, there are qualifications where you have to have used you have to have been under the influence of some sort of substance, or have done, either gambling or something like that, or a sex crime but within that first year before your arrest. But depending on the length of your sentence, if it's greater than 36 months, you may get up to a year off. If it's greater than 30 months, you could get up to 9 months off your sentence. And if it's over 24 months, you could receive up to 6 months off your sentence. So it's tiered that way. The Second Chance Act, this is something that you don't apply for, but it's at the discretion of your case managers. So in other YouTube videos and throughout my website, I discuss that there are stakeholders, and there are many that have a vested interest in your incarceration and ensuring that you come out of prison as a changed person. And so as a contributing member of society. And so they have the ability through the Second Chance Act that if you have a greater than 60-month sentence, that your last 6 months could be spent on home confinement. If it's less than 60 months, you have the ability to spend 10% of that on home confinement or 6 months in that halfway house. If you're elderly, which is over the age of 60, you can serve that last part of your sentence on home confinement, but you have to have served at least 2/3 of your sentence to be eligible. Life sentences do not apply. The offender you can't have been convicted of any state or federal crime of violence, sexual offense. You should not have been either escaped and caught or have attempted to escape. Life sentences do not apply. But each of these poses the ability for you to have attempted to have done something to decrease your criminogenic need, to show that you're working hard to change your habits in prison and to help expedite your release. I hope you found this helpful and that you continue to subscribe to these videos. If you choose to engage me, please feel free to give me a call, and there's no charge for the initial consultation, but if not me, then someone else. So at least you understand and you're prepared for what you're about to get into. Thanks for taking your time to listen and have a great day.